Well, we're certainly tracking a few clouds out there. Nothing as far as rain showers go, at least not yet. We still sit in the drier of the two air masses that sit next to us. So for at least one more day, not much to talk about, except for the heat and the humidity. But tomorrow, things will certainly be taking a more of an active approach. Let's take a look at the satellite over the last few hours, and you've got cumulus building. Just about 100 miles to the north, completely different situation. Look at the composition of these big thunderstorms that are getting going all the way from western Illinois through northern Ohio into central Pennsylvania. And these things are really booming. A lot of damaging wind gusts, some hail with some of these storms, and there have even been a few tornado warnings getting going with a lot. But you've got an entire spread just to our north of severe weather, all associated with a stalled out front. What it is connected to is another big low that's sitting out in the plains, causing yet more active weather for them. And they've been socked in for a few days, really a few weeks, with all of the severe weather that they've been experiencing. It's been waiting for one of two things to happen, and one being that big area of high pressure, the big heat ridge, to break down. And that's exactly what's happening throughout the course of the week. So what that means for us is we will be getting our share of strong weather, strong thunderstorms throughout the course of tomorrow afternoon. We'll start to see the first rounds move in. As the low that's in the plains slides into the Midwest, it brings in a better chance for showers and thunderstorms going into Thursday, and then a low that's been tacked onto the back of it will just kind of slide through for Friday. So 3 days at least with active weather going forward. Let's go ahead and put the future track into play, show some timing on everything. Getting into tomorrow morning, it will be cloudy around. Those clouds are increasing throughout the overnight period, but you can't rule out a stray shower or two getting into the morning hours. It's really more the afternoon, though, with the heating of the day and the fact that that front is sliding further south. Now we have a little bit better chance for a few of those strong showers and storms. And then a cluster or two that are sitting out in the plains may make a run for us getting into the Thursday and Friday time frame once that big area of low pressure finally slides over the region. But we're not just talking about us. There is a large area that's already getting severe weather, but we'll be getting it yet again tomorrow. And that goes all the way to the low and the cold front associated with it. So two hot spots, but we're kind of on the fringe, right in the northern counties, and from 64 down to the southern parkways. You've got at least a slight or a marginal risk for a few thunderstorms to get to that borderline severe criterion. What are we talking? Damaging wind gusts, for torrential downpours for sure, but also the possibility for some hail as well. Hey, tomorrow kicks off the Habitat for Humidity house build. We're going to have a forecast for that starting each evening before and then each day of, to just kind of let you know if you're going to be out and working it, all the volunteers, what to expect for some of those builds. This forecast is brought to you by ADA Heating and Air. Tomorrow, which is the kickoff, we will be starting out with cloudy skies, a few showers around, but really into the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Definitely not a washout type of day, but a day that you should be looking to the sky because there will be at least that chance for showers and storms to be hanging around. Now, as we get to the end of the week, there will be a cold front coming through. It'll do its job. It'll take that summer heat down to normal for about Friday before we get into the weekend. And then we just kind of hang around that. A few showers, thunderstorms each day. Beginning of next week, looking pretty good.
Kind of typical summer, huh?
That's it. We're already there.
All right. Thank you, Seth.
Yep.